If you want to know where the OBD2 Diagnostics port and fuse boxes are on a 300 series Land Cruiser, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and this is the GLX model. Now on this car there's quite a few fuse boxes on this model. There is exactly 4, but there are also other locations if your car has more accessories, and I'll point them out as well. So to do this, we're going to start off in the driver's side, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. We're going to open up our door fully and just come down into the footwell. Now just over the left hand side here you can see that white slot. That is actually your OBD2 Diagnostics port. Now there is a small cabin fuse box here just tucked up to the right hand side. It's a bit tricky to show you on the camera, but it's just up there, and then this is the black cap for it. So it does actually show you your fuse denominations on the back there, so hopefully you can see that on the video. So that is your cabin fuse box. Now on this model the rest of the fuse boxes are actually found in the engine bay, so we're just going to pull that lever there, come around to the front of the vehicle, hand in just above the Toyota badge facing down, and push the lever to the left. So just to show you, that is the lever there, and then the bonnet struts do the rest for you. Now like I say, there's another couple of fuse boxes here. You've got one actually right down here. So I've cheated and I've actually undone the clips, but there is 3 clips and you just squeeze them in. It's just a bit hard to do one-handed. And then that is the fuses inside. And then obviously the fuse denominations are actually on the back of the lid there, so you can see where each fuse or relay is. And then just going to pop that down till each of the clips pop. And then moving forward we've actually got this one here, so again remove the clips. I'll just actually move this out of the way for the video. And then there's another big fuse box here. So again, 3 clips, a bit hard to do one-handed. There we go, managed to do it. And then again, more fuses are held inside there, and a couple of relays as well. And then again, just on the back of the lid, there's a couple of spare fuses there, and then your fuse denominations are listed on the back of the lid as well. Then we're going to go over to the right hand side of the engine bay when looking from the front of the car. Pretty much the same location. Got this here, and move that one off, and then that's our battery location, where you have some main fuses for the battery as well. So you can see those just tucked down there. And then we've got another small accessory fuse box just here. Again, a bit hard to do one-handed. There we go. There's just a couple of fuses in there with a couple of larger relays, and then again, just looking on the back of the lid there, you can see the fuse denominations. So there is one other location where if you have one of the other models of the car with more features, you may have another fuse box just in the back here. Just going to need to go into the boot, open up the boot fully, just over to the right hand side here, you actually pull that cover, and then you may find another fuse box just sat there. So there we go, that's the fuse boxes and OBD2 Diagnostics port on a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and this is the GLX model. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.